So what's a message map? On the screen, you're going to see the Raven Yard message map. We use this for ourselves, and it's our DNA. It not only reflects what we say about what we do, redefining crisis management, holistically, technical skill, operational process support for leaders. It's not just our message, that is actually the work we do. So the types of work we do for clients are all based on technical skill, operational process, and support for leaders. And we play that out in 3 key message pillars that every time we talk to someone and every proposal we give, every work product we do reflects the message pillars of our message map. So the core message isn't just, this is the big idea. This is our, it's not just our tagline. This is our DNA. And that's the highest level DNA that we have. And everything underneath this gets more specific as ways of supporting the DNA of how we work. And is it just a very cool, simple way of framing out a message? Another thing to point out here is many of your clients will have documents, if not like this document or exactly like this document, that reflect their brand. I rarely, if ever, hear a lawyer say, can we see your brand documents? They jump into the legal brief and yet aren't asking what's the DNA of this client. It'd be like a doctor trying to treat a genetic disease without taking a test of your DNA. This is the DNA of companies. Their DNA is something they spend millions of dollars and years building. And yet lawyers aren't asking them what's that DNA before they go and try and treat a problem. And it's this critical mismatch.